What I'm about to show you will shock you. Mistake number 8 in this video has cost car owners over $8,000 in engine replacements, and 80% of drivers are making it right now. I've been working on cars for 15 years, and these 12 maintenance mistakes have destroyed more engines than car accidents. The last bonus tip, even seasoned mechanics don't know this one. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, following your owner's manual oil change intervals religiously. Here's what car manufacturers don't tell you. Those 10,000-mile intervals, they're designed to get your car past the warranty period, not to make it last 300,000 miles. I've opened engines that followed the recommended 15,000-mile schedule and found thick black sludge coating every surface like burnt concrete. In real-world driving, short trips, stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, your oil breaks down way before 7,500 miles. My shop rule, change your oil every 5,000 miles with full synthetic or 3,000 with conventional. Yes, it costs more upfront, but $40 now beats $4,000 for an engine rebuild later. Mistake number 2, revving your engine when it's cold. This one makes me cringe every time. When your engine is cold, oil is thick like honey and sitting at the bottom of your oil pan. Revving before it circulates is like running metal parts together with zero lubrication. Here's what really happens. You're grinding pistons, camshafts, and bearings together, creating microscopic metal shavings that circulate through your engine like liquid sandpaper. The fix? Start your car, wait 30 seconds for oil to circulate, then drive gently for the first 2 miles. Oil temperature rises 8 times faster while driving than idling. Your engine will thank you with decades of smooth running. Changing oil without replacing filter. Mistake number 3, changing your oil but keeping the old filter. This is like washing your clothes in dirty water. I've seen customers try to save $15 on a filter only to contaminate their brand new $60 synthetic oil immediately. Here's the science. Your oil filter traps metal particles, carbon deposits, and combustion byproducts. After 5,000 miles, it's packed with this garbage. Put fresh oil through a dirty filter, and within 100 miles, your new oil looks like chocolate milk. The result? Accelerated engine wear, reduced lubrication, and you'll need another oil change in half the time. That $15 filter you skipped just cost you $15 in premature oil changes. Mistake number 4, ignoring tire pressure. Most drivers check it maybe twice a year, if that. But here's what happens when your tires are just 10 psi low. Your fuel economy drops by 15%, your tires wear out 25% faster, and your engine works harder on every single mile. I had a customer complaining about poor gas mileage in her SUV. Turned out her tires were 15 psi underinflated. After filling them properly, she gained 3 miles per gallon immediately. At today's gas prices, that's $400 saved per year just from checking tire pressure monthly. Pro tip, check when tires are cold before driving. Heat from driving increases pressure, giving you false readings. Mistake number 5, treating brake fluid like it lasts forever. This one's dangerous, not just expensive. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air. Over 3 years, it can absorb enough water to lower its boiling point by over 100 degrees. Here's the scary part. In stop-and-go driving, your brakes get hot enough to make old fluid boil. When brake fluid boils, it creates air bubbles. Air bubbles mean your brake pedal goes to the floor when you need it most. I've seen brake failure accidents that could have been prevented with a $50 brake fluid flush every 2 to 3 years. Your life is worth more than $50. Mistake number 6, mixing different coolant types. Red, green, yellow, orange. They're not interchangeable like paint colors. Mix the wrong ones, and you've just created a chemical reaction that turns your cooling system into a science experiment. I once had a customer top off his Honda's green coolant with orange coolant from another car. Within 500 miles, it had turned into brown gel, clogging his radiator and destroying his water pump. The repair bill? $1,800 for what started as a $10 top-off. Always use the exact coolant type specified in your owner's manual. When in doubt, drain and refill with the correct type. Mistake number 7, postponing air filter changes. Your engine needs to breathe, and a clogged air filter is like forcing it to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. A dirty air filter reduces airflow, which means your engine can't burn fuel efficiently. The result? Reduced power, poor acceleration, and fuel economy that drops by up to 10%. Plus, your engine works harder for every mile, wearing internal components faster. Check your air filter every 15,000 miles. If it looks like it's been through a sandstorm, replace it. A $20 filter can improve your gas mileage immediately. Mistake number 8, this is the big one, ignoring your timing belt replacement schedule. When I say this mistake can cost you $8,000, I'm not exaggerating. Your timing belt controls the precise timing between your pistons and valves. When it breaks, and it will break without warning, those pistons slam into the valves at 3,000 RPM. The damage? Bent valves, damaged pistons, sometimes a cracked cylinder head. I've seen engines with 200,000 miles run perfectly fine, then become scrap metal because the owner delayed a $600 timing belt job. Most cars need this done every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Here's the kicker, timing belts rarely give warning signs. They just snap, replace it on schedule, not when it breaks. Your engine's life depends on it. Mistake number 9, forgetting about differential and transfer case oil. If you drive an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicle, this one's critical. These components transfer power to your wheels, and they're filled with heavy-duty gear oil that breaks down over time. I've replaced differentials that sounded like coffee grinders because owners ignored this maintenance. The metal gears literally grind themselves to pieces without proper lubrication. Most AW and 4W vehicles need differential service every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Skip it, and you're looking at a $3,000 to $5,000 replacement. The service? Mistake number 10, ignoring your air conditioning system until it stops working. Your AC isn't just about comfort, it's about your health and your wallet. A neglected AC system becomes a breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and fungi. That musty smell when you first turn it on, that's you breathing in health hazards. Worse, when AC components fail, they often take other parts with them. A seized compressor can damage your serpentine belt system, leading to overheating. I've seen $2,000 AC repairs that started as a $50 refrigerant top-off that was ignored for 2 years. Have your AC system inspected annually. Clean or replace the cabin filter every year. Mistake number 11, ignoring your exhaust exit until you sound like a motorcycle. Your exhaust does more than muffle noise. It controls emissions, back pressure, and engine efficiency. A small exhaust leak can trigger your check engine light, causing your car to fail emissions tests. Worse, exhaust leaks near the passenger compartment can allow carbon monoxide into your car. This odorless, colorless gas can literally kill you. I inspect exhaust systems on every lift. Small problems like loose heat shields or minor leaks are cheap fixes. Wait until your muffler falls off on the highway and you're looking at emergency repairs and possible safety violations. And here's the bonus secret that separates smart car owners from everyone else. Keep a detailed maintenance log, not just oil changes, everything. Every time you service your car, write it down. Date, mileage, what was done, what was observed. This simple practice has saved my customers thousands of dollars. Why? Because patterns emerge. Oil consumption every 1,000 miles points to ring problems. Coolant loss every 6 months suggests head gasket issues. Brake pad wear every 15,000 miles means driving habits or brake problems. Plus, when you sell your car, a complete maintenance log can add $2,000 to its value. Buyers pay premium prices for documented care. Keep a Toodle notebook in your glove compartment or use a phone app. Smart owners keep records. There you have it, 12 maintenance mistakes that are quietly destroying cars every day. The crazy part? Every single one is completely preventable with basic knowledge and regular attention. If this video saved you from even one costly repair, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We're posting new money-saving car tips every week. In our next video, I'm exposing the 7 cars that mechanics refuse to work on and why dealers are practically giving them away. You won't believe number 4. Click here to watch it now. Remember, cars don't break down suddenly. They give you warning signs for months. Pay attention to those signs, and your car will take care of you for decades.